So let's get right into it. First in our list is probably the best beginner level AI program that you can find online. It's called IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate, taught by top-notch AI engineers at IBM. This program is highly rated and well priced with more than 27,000 reviews. This program is offered on two platforms, Coursera and edX. I'll put the link for both of them down below in the description section. The only difference between them is the payment option. Coursera offers a 7-day free trial and a pay-as-you-go option for $49 per month that you can cancel anytime, whereas edX requires a one-time payment of $390. The estimated time to complete this program is between 7 to 9 months if you spend 3 to 4 hours each week. So if you can spend more than 4 hours a week, you'll save money if you enroll in the one that Coursera offers. As part of this program, you will get free career resources, which includes a free resume builder and a mock interview. If English is not your first language, no worries, because this program has subtitles in several languages, including English, Korean, Vietnamese, German, and Persian. As I mentioned, this is a beginner level program and you do not need prior experience in AI. Also, if you're new to programming, do not worry because you will have to take a Python course as part of this program and you will learn Python. Here is a list of core skills that you will gain when you graduate from this program: data science, AI, machine learning, Python programming, deep learning, data analysis, and then also you will learn 2 Python libraries, Pandas and NumPy. This online program on AI covers 6 great courses as follows: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Getting started with AI using IBM Watson. If you do not know what IBM Watson is, look it up. It's basically an AI platform that is used in many different fields, especially in healthcare for drug discovery and cancer detection. The third course is Building AI-powered chatbots without programming. The fourth course is Python for data science and AI. The other course is Building AI applications with Watson APIs. And the last course is Introduction to Computer Vision with Watson and OpenCV. As you know, computer vision is a great skill to pick up as it's used heavily in robotics, self-driving cars, AI, machine learning, and automation. And finally, the instructors of this program are all IBM's top-notch engineers, so this program should be a great hands-on program. Now let's watch the trailer for this online AI program offered by IBM.
Applications of AI are really all around us. There's no limit to really what we're doing with artificial intelligence.
It's going to be an interesting world. It's going to evolve very rapidly because these technologies not only can perform tasks that we've never seen automated before, but learn as they do them.
Robots are very likely, in fact, to generate new jobs.
Particularly in healthcare, I think we'll see faster recovery times, we'll see better patient outcomes, we'll see people spending less money and time in hospitals.
Artificial intelligence can be used for nefarious reasons and can possibly be our last great invention, or it can be one of our greatest inventions. It's how we apply it.
The second online program is this nano degree program called AI Programming with Python, offered by Udacity. Just don't worry about the link. I'll put the link down in the description section. It'll take you about 3 months to complete this program if you spend 10 hours per week. Prereqs for this program are basic algebra and knowledge of a programming language. However, you do not really need to know Python to begin this program because you go to syllabus right at the beginning of this program. They will teach you Python. Also, they will teach you how to use some of the Python libraries that are used for AI. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. In this program, you will learn the essentials of algebra, linear algebra, as well as calculus. The key instructor is Dr. Luis Serrano. He is a machine learning engineer at Google, and the total cost for this program is $1,017. They're currently running a special on this program, which may end soon. So to summarize, this is a great course for beginners because you will learn Python as a programming language, and then also you will learn the algebra and calculus that are needed for AI. Now let's watch the trailer.
You've spent years hearing about advances in AI, from programs that beat Go and chess grandmasters. to smart assistants,
Hey Alexa, play my coding playlist.
and facial recognition.
I rough you.
AI is changing how we live.
I rough you.
Now you're ready to take the next step and learn AI yourself. You know where you want to go, but you don't know where to start. That's why we've built the AI Programming with Python Nano Degree. In 2 months or less, you'll build your own AI application using deep neural networks from scratch. Learn all the key AI skills in one place, such as Python, linear algebra, and deep learning with PyTorch, and get the support you need for success with mentorship and project reviews from our AI experts.
All right, our third pick is this online program called Expand Your Knowledge of Artificial Intelligence, also offered by Udacity. This is an advanced program, as the name implies, for people who want to expand their expertise in AI. The prereqs are algebra, calculus, statistics, and Python. So if you completed the AI programming with Python program, the first program we listed, you should meet all the prerequisites for this program. Estimated time is 3 months if you spend 12 to 15 hours per week. And you can scroll down to see the syllabus for this program. As you can see, all advanced topics in AI. And as for the instructors for this program, the main instructor is Dr. Sebastian Throne. He's the founder of Udacity and the founder of Google X, and the brain behind the Google self-driving car. So this program should be really a good program to enroll in. And the cost for this program is $1,017, and they usually run some sort of specials to offer additional discount. Now let's watch the trailer for this program.
Artificial intelligence is one of the hottest fields on the planet today. It has taken decades to develop the basic algorithms in fields such as search, logic, planning, probabilistic reasoning. Those skills you can leverage into many AI applications. This AI Nano Degree program is taught with my friends and colleagues, Thad Starner from Robotics and Peter Norvig from Google, and of course, myself. So I hope you enroll, and I hope you can enjoy AI as much as I have throughout my career. I see you in class.
I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next episode.